Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode we will be continuing with the mounts for the ethanol content sensor and the boost solenoid. In the last episode I ran out of cutting discs, so I have bought some new ones, of course 5 of them, because then you get a reduced price, and it's 1 millimeter thin, so this will work great. They are made for stainless steel, so let's get to cutting and then do some shaping, etc, etc. So here we have the pieces finished with the cutting step. This was an error that I got when I made the CAD, and I should have let this edge move all the way out here, but yeah, that will be fine. So we have these markings for holes. Also on this one we have a bigger one here, and then three smaller ones here. So I think I will drill them out so that is done. But that will have to happen the next time I'm in the garage. Because it's getting too late for me. I need my dinner and sleep. So I will pick this up on a later date. So the second Kärcher adapter that I bought fits. So now I can use my foam lens in the garage as well. Perfect. So it's a few days later, actually almost a week later. I will be continuing with the brackets, hence not splitting it into separate episodes. I will start with drilling some holes and then start to bend along all the lines. And I also have Sid here. So she will be doing some sandblasting if she can get the sandblasting cabinet to work. Yeah. Here we have the plates that will be turned into brackets. So I have 5 holes to drill in this one and 3 3 or 4 in this one. And of course I have bought my own drills and I can't find them as per usual, but I have a good friend who have some that he borrowed to me, lent to me. We have a word police here. So yeah, I was able to drill a few holes. The person who made the electrical connection for the pillar drill switched 2 phases, so everything is going in the opposite direction. The pillar drill, the bench, sander, etc. I didn't have the energy in me to fix that. And Sid was able to do some sandblasting. So the return, one of the brackets, and also the air filter bracket. And she started on the bracket for the power steering pump. I got stuck helping a friend with the S13 that you've seen in the episodes before. So I think we will end this episode here. You got to see a little bit of a bunch of things, and we are moving forward with the brackets. Some footage have disappeared somehow. Don't know how, but yeah. If you didn't follow on the CareShare adapter thing, it's that I bought the wrong one previously, and now I finally got the correct one, so I can use my phone lens and clean cars in the garage. So yeah, until the next episode, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.